Hello, my name is Leo. Today we are going to talk about atom. So what's atom? Atom was considered to be the smallest part of the whole universe. It was Democritus, an ancient Greek philosopher, who was first thinking about the problem of parsing an apple into the smallest parts possible. So when he came to the end, when he couldn't parse it anymore, he called that part atomos, which in Greek means inseparable, which cannot be split anymore. The atom consists of three main particles called subatomic particles, which are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Atom has two main parts: central part called atomic core or nucleus, and outer part, which are electron shells. Atomic nucleus is about 10,000 times smaller than the whole atom, but has the major part of atomic mass. It consists of particles called nucleons, which are protons and neutrons, and between nucleons is strong nuclear force, one of the strongest forces in the whole universe. So the first are protons. Protons are positively charged particles which determine atom as a chemical element. So if we know how many protons are there in an atom, we could say which chemical element it is. Neutrons. Neutrons are no, zero charged particles which are kind of atomic glue. They prevent protons from falling apart, because we know that the same charged particles will repel if located next to the other. And finally, electrons, which are negatively charged particles, revolve around nucleus at a very high speed of 2200 kilometers per second, which is just something less than 1% than the speed of light. And thanks to that very high speed, they don't stick to nucleus, although they are attracted to protons by force called electromagnetic force. And now, how atoms are really small? We can say that in only one human cell is 100 times as many atoms as there are stars in the whole Milky Way. Atoms also have very small masses. And to express atomic masses was created a measuring unit called Dalton, named after English physicist and chemist John Dalton. Dalton is a mass of 1.6605 times 10 on minus 27 potential, which is 12th of mass, atomic mass of carbon-12 isotope, of carbon-12 atom. So why are atoms so small? The first reason are very short distances between nucleons and electrons, and the second one is because of the very strong forces, the electromagnetic and the strong nuclear force I've already mentioned. To sum up, these three main particles, neutrons, protons and electrons, these subatomic particles are the main particles of atom. But there have been discovered even smaller particles, such as quarks, leptons, fermions, bosons, and so on. Today, scientists want more than ever to discover what is there in the deepest part of an atom. So what is really the smallest particle the whole universe consists of? Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you'll stay with us.